I'm Dr. Chris. This is Apex Soft Tissue and Spine, and it is my mission to have you living pain-free at 100 years of age. In this video, I'm going to explain a little bit about our intake process. So if you're a new patient and you're on our website and you're having a click around, you would notice that we do a free initial consult. Now, an initial consult in a lot of settings involves a few different components, and we're doing that a little bit differently here. So I'll explain the difference. Typically, what you might expect is you book a 60 or so minute appointment, and that's involved in your practitioner taking a full history, doing a physical examination, explaining to you what they find and what the diagnosis is, proposing a treatment plan, and then doing treatment as well. So it's a lot that's condensed into that initial 60-minute appointment. And it makes it difficult to really slow down and focus on details. So what we're doing here with our initial consult is that we're taking that history piece at the start and we're separating that out. So when you book an initial consult here with us, it is 100% free. There's no obligation at all to go further than that if you choose not to. And what it is a 30-minute appointment with me. And we can either do that here in the office or we can do it on the phone. And the sole purpose of this appointment is to thoroughly understand what you need help with. It is to understand with a high level of detail your problem and everything about it, and also history of your own health, so that we can put all that together, and then based on that, I'll be able to say if it's likely that what we do here is a good fit for you. If it is, then the next stage is to come back in here to the office and we do a comprehensive physical exam, which is built based on the findings that we put together from your detailed history. So it's built specifically for you. Based on that, then we really start to understand what's going on, and then we can propose treatment and talk about the next steps through that. So we're slowing this process down because it allows for a greater level of detail and a greater level of accuracy. It also doesn't leave you out of pocket right at the start. So I think there's nothing worse as a patient than going into a setting where you've booked it, you've paid for it, you've committed your time, and you find out that it wasn't what you were hoping for. So we're taking that risk away from you, and that 30-minute appointment is completely free. There is a charge associated with the next stage, of course, in the physical exam, but you're not obligated to progress to that if you don't want to. So this is a little bit different. We're not packing everything into 1 hour right at the start. We're breaking it down a little bit to pay attention to the details, to slow down, to think and really pore over the information so that we get you closer to where you want to go. We want to move you in the right direction rather than have you spinning your wheels. So if you're interested in what we do, and if that appeals to you, then I would invite you to click on through, enter your details, and book an appointment at a time that suits you. As I mentioned, you're welcome to come in here and sit down with me. Otherwise, we can do it over the phone. It's a casual conversation to slow everything down, focus on the details, and get you moving forward in the direction that you need to go. I'm Dr. Chris. This is Apex Soft Tissue and Spine, and it is my mission to have you being pain-free at 100 years of age. Thanks for watching.